Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Salesforce Trailhead to strengthen your LinkedIn profile. Beginner guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser. Type in the URL trailhead.salesforce.com. Press the enter key on your keyboard to navigate to the site. Locate the login button in the top right corner of the homepage. Click on the login button to proceed. You will see two options for logging in. If you already have a Salesforce account, select the Login with Salesforce option. Enter your Salesforce username in the provided field. Then, type in your password. Once both fields are filled, click the Login button. If you do not have a Salesforce account, select the Sign Up option. Fill in the required information to create a new account. After completing the registration, you will receive a confirmation email. Follow the instructions in the email to activate your account. Return to the Trailhead login page. Use your new credentials to log in as before. Once logged in, navigate to your Trailhead profile. This is usually located in the top right corner, under your profile icon. Click on your profile icon to view your Trailhead dashboard. Here, you can track your progress and accomplishments. To strengthen your LinkedIn profile, take note of your badges and skills. Navigate to the Badges section to see what you've earned. Consider adding these badges to your LinkedIn profile. To do so, click on the badge for more details. Find the sharing options which will guide you on how to add them. Select the appropriate LinkedIn sharing option if available. Follow the prompts to connect your Trailhead account to LinkedIn. Your learning progress and achievements will now be reflected on your LinkedIn profile. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.